Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be tracing all these numbers from 1 to 20 with different colors. Let us get started. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 Now we will read one by one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Thank you kids for watching this. Do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.